This is my skate park, my mini skate park. Okay, I will start with the half pipe. Okay, this is a beer box that I cut in this shape. So, and I like it. See, it's cool. And the reason why I didn't cut this part was because when I'm skating, I just like to, get here and do this. And then, okay, you get it. Next, I bought this one. It's cool. Now I can do tricks, blah 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 again. Then, this one, I did it by myself. Shoebox, just cut, and there we have it. Okay, so now it's like this. Come over here, do a trick. Next, what I have here is this box. This is a cool box because I'm going to tell what you can do with it. It can be a jump obstacle. You have to jump over it. Okay, next, the box can go over here and do tricks. Whoa, but okay, this is a box open. Only the tools. Okay, the other half has my other skates. That's it. Oh, I'm Portuguese, so my English is very, very bad. I'm sorry for all. Thanks for watching.